Hi, I'm CEO and founder of Adia.com. We are a cold email plus lead gen agency, and this video is to show you how we personalize emails at scale for our clients, of course using Clay. And one of our emails got this reply. You can pause it and read the reply. I won't go down into it. So what I did was, I wanted to scrape sales leaders in US, which were either recently hired or recently promoted in the past 3 months. So if you go to Apollo and click on more filters, and then you'll find this filter, time in current role. There you can put 3 in the maximum month and minimum month. And apparently Apollo is going to give you leads which are this title in this location, minimum to maximum with 3 months of experience, right? And if you go to all of these leads here, like we have 24 leads here, all of these leads will have exact experience of 3 months. I don't know how, but Apollo does that. And if you load them to a Clay table like this, then you can personalize them at scale. So as for this lead and this lead, I created a prompt which went to their LinkedIn profile and searched if this lead had any other titles before this title at this company. If there was, write me the title which he was earlier, and if there were no other titles except this in this company, then write hired. So if you go to their LinkedIn, you can see like this guy must have been this, must be this role before this title, right? And this guy must have been only head of sales at this company. So if you go to their LinkedIn and see right now he's sales director, but earlier he was senior sales manager, right? And Jason on the other side is only head of sales directly. So this guy was hired, right? Simply. Then after this, you can use GPT. Like if you go to enrichment, click on GPT, generate text, you can use that. I didn't use that because it takes credits, right? So I used a hack which does this for free. I don't know how, but like this is a hack which I found myself. So what you can do is you can use formula generator. What formula generator is in Clay, like you give them a prompt and Clay will generate your formula, which you can eventually use to have certain data, right? So in this formula, what I did was, if the previous title is hired, like if the lead was hired, then write congrats on becoming title, even though it's been 3 months since you took the role. That's it. So if this was hired like this, he got a message like congrats on becoming the head of sales, even though it's been 3 months since you took the role, right? And this column, what it does is, if the previous role is not hired, then simply write congrats on your promotion to title. That's it. So this guy had this role earlier, so congrats on the promotion to a director of sales. As simple as that. Then you can put a text column here, and then have all of these into this text column, and you'll get one AI personalized first liner for both of these leads, right? Simple as that. Next, I wanted to create a Puka Bear question, which intrigues the interest of the lead, right? So what I did was, here, as this guy was promoted, I asked them, have there been any other changes in your strategy to acquire new clients since you were this title before? So see, my services are for sales. So I aimed for sales director in a specific country, in a specific company and country, and I'm asking him a specific sales question. So that is the main thing, right? You can personalize emails at scale, but if you are not relevant, it won't matter, right? And for this, I use this formula again. If this is not hired, then simply ask them this line, and boom, you got the answer. Same thing I did was this. Like, see, this guy was hired, right? So he has this Puka Bear question, like you must be having a plan. You must have a plan to acquire clients since Hizzy chose you as their new sales leader, right? Simple as that. And if you go to edit column here, you must have a plan. Go to save settings, you must have a plan. Okay, that's it. And again, then you put a text column here, and then put both of these column into here, and then you'll get one Puka Bear question for both of these leads. As simple as that. Then you can use this in your email copies, and your email copy should now look like this. Like, hey John, congrats on your promotion to director and head of sales. Have there been any changes in your strategy to acquire new clients since you were this title before? Then you put your offer, your case study, your call to action, also if you have any case study, and your PS line and signature. That's it. And this type of email got us this reply. As simple as that. So if you want us to create you your outbound mechanism or infrastructure to reach out to more prospects and sign on more clients, then book a call down below and see if you're a good fit. You can just go to my website and click on any button here like this. Boom, you land to my Calendly and then we can book a call. Cheers.